Hey y'all, it's Tay and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be getting into this 613 wig install. This is a custom 13x4 frontal wig from my collection, of course, using I believe it was 22, 24, and 26. No, 22, 24, 26, 26 of our 613 hair. It was constructed to fit my head shape, of course. It did have these little black strips in them. If you go back on my shorts, this was my birthday wig, but I actually removed the black off of the wig just to keep it a nice blonde. And I think this look came out so good. It is giving scalp. Okay, you cannot tell me this is my real hair. So I'm just going to be popping in a little bit here and there, letting y'all know what I'm doing, where we're going. Right now, I'm just putting the wig on, trying to lay everything out to make sure that it's in front of my hairline correctly, because we do not want any of this glue in our hair. And yeah, so let's just get the fit right, and then we're going to go in with our layers of glue. Y'all already know I'm using Erica J Hold Me Down, and that is it.
No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up.
So because it is really hot outside, I am going to go in with 3 layers of glue. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a big sweater. Like, I don't pour down sweat. So you may have to use more layers of glue if you were prone to sweating, oily skin, things like that. I'm going to spread them out really thin, make sure it's a nice even layer, and then go in with the next layer and keep going from there.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, then I see you, and I see.
So once those layers dry clear, I'm going to go ahead and lay that lace into the glue. I basically just put the edge of the lace right at the edge of the glue that I added, and then if there's any parts that still need a little bit of glue, I go back and fill that in once I start working on the next side. So as you can see, it's already giving scalp, and I haven't even started the melting process, but yeah, get into it. And those little black marks that you see, I go and when I lay the lace down, I just take an eyebrow pencil and mark on the edge of the lace just to make sure that I'm not putting any extra glue where there is no glue needed.
I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
Just like the other side, 3 layers of glue, spread them clear, and then we're gonna lay that lace in.
Something now is taking over me. Yeah.
here's what we are looking like before I put any melt bands on, hairspray, anything like that. Looks decent, but we're gonna get it all the way together. So first I'm just gonna go in and pluck off any of those little straggly hairs that are caught in the glue, so that way we have a nice clean install. It won't look dirty or messy. And then off camera, I did spray some of my hairspray. I didn't want to show that on camera because we boycotting some people, and I'm using the last little bit of this can before I throw it away. So you just want to spray whatever hairspray you prefer over top of the lace, and then tie your melt band on. I let it sit for a little over an hour, I think it was. I normally go to the store or something like that, occupy my time. Then I go back and use a little bit of alcohol to clean off those eyebrow pencil marks, as well as clean up any excess glue that's on the outside of the lace. And then here I'm just cutting off any extra little pieces of lace that I felt like wasn't necessary, that I didn't want to tack down with glue. And then we're going to use a little bit of makeup to blend it some more. And look at these knots. Like this blonde wig is giving my hair. I toned the knots on this wig. I will do a full detailed video on that if you guys want to know how I achieved this look. But this is literally my hair. Like, you cannot tell me this is not coming from my scalp. Like, and if you do, you're a liar. You're a liar, you're anti-black, and I do not support you. Period.
Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
Couple figures, kill a skull, collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. You niggas thinking small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it.
So while we are letting that lace melt, I'm just gonna go in. I wanted to do like some soft waves on this unit, and just do like a little simple 1-2, nothing too much. I wasn't going nowhere, but I literally was struggling so bad. At first I used my wand curler, that did not come out right. Here I'm using my T3, and to be honest, I didn't even really like how it came out here, but whoo child, we just had to make it do what it do, because I was getting irritated and I was ready to say forget it and just wear the hair straight, but that was not the point of this video. I wanted to have curls, so bear with me. I probably don't show y'all the whole thing because I didn't like how it looked, but here's the look.
You treat it like an artist from the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in cave. A tornado flew around my room before you came.
Yeah. Clock it, Buki. What lace? This is my hair. Like I said, like, what are you talking about? This is my hair. Again, I hated the curls, so we're going to go back and give it a little 1-2. And even when I got close up on the camera, like, did you see that? You couldn't even see the lace. Like, please argue with somebody else, because I don't want to hear nothing else. If you were disagreeing with me, you just need to go somewhere else. Get off this channel, because you're a liar, and I don't like liars. Again, this is a custom 13x4 frontal wig from my collection, using our virgin blonde hair. This is top quality virgin hair. This hair will last you 3+ years. I'm telling you. The majority of the wigs in my collection I've had since 2020. Like, it's crazy. This wig was actually from my birthday 2 years ago. And this is hair from a wig that I had a long time ago. So this hair is not all new. This is half old, half new hair, and it blends so well. You can't even tell which is old, which is new. And as you can see, the lace is giving. I use only transparent lace. You do have the option of HD lace, but to be honest, do you see this lace? What do you need HD for? This is exactly what you need. It's very beginner friendly, easy to wear, easy to install. And now we're gonna get into our second look, because I wanted to give y'all a little 2-for-1 special or whatever. So here we are. We're gonna do the little viral braided headband that's been going around. So let's just get into that. I'm not gonna do too much talking on this part. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I hope you enjoy the second look.
Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It won't ever get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll
why did I burn the hell out of myself? Like, that is so embarrassing. I'm supposed to be a professional and I'm on this camera burning myself. I just can't deal.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more, no more. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, and my heart can't take no more. No more. Feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
it's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. My killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is bigger Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
it's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Might have been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
it's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
So I wanted to add a little spice to this, and I felt like some safety pins in the braids would be so cute, especially with my Rico Nasty merch. So I just went ahead and added some black safety pins all throughout the braids. And I'm not gonna lie, when I went to go take this wig off, I regretted doing that so bad, but it was so cute, so I just let it slide. But anyway, we're just gonna add them all throughout. I kind of alternated between sizes so that way it would kind of look, it would just add a little bit more to the look. But yes, really simple, really cute, and this really didn't take me long to do. I think I took like 10 minutes to do this whole style. And this is the finished look, and I absolutely love this wig. I love how it came out. Make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button on your way out.